What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. This is a new hat. Give it a thumbs up on the video if you think it looks nice. So our trade went nuclear. Vechain went nuclear right after the video yesterday, and today we've exploded to the upside. So we love to see it. We're almost up 50% on our trade, and it's a spot trade. We're sitting at 0.04695, up 32% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 3.36 billion, 24-hour volume 284 million. Now maybe there's some big news. I don't want to look too much into that. I just want to do the analysis. So wow, we're still exploding. So as you can see here, yesterday we were looking at the 1-2, and now here's our trade. There's our entry 0.0307, and you can see right now we're pushing all the way up to TP2. And from our entry, we just absolutely crushed this trade. Yeah, crazy, guys. 55% gain. In the Discord, I gave the signal for 10 bucks a month. We're in multiple trades. Look at this, guys. We just absolutely crushed this trade. We're absolutely crushing crypto. We're crushing Forex. Every single day we're making money. It's absolutely insane. It's 10 bucks a month, guys. It'll be the best $10 you ever spend. We just hit TP2. I just got the alert. That's 55% gain from our entry. Let me quickly take a screenshot, post it in the Discord. We have over 2,600 members in the Discord, and yeah, we're just absolutely crushing it. It's 10 bucks a month, guys. I just charged the $10 to keep scammers out of my VIP rooms, so I highly recommend joining. We're gonna do some fire emojis. Oh, I can't do that right now. TP2 at Kings. This will just take a second, guys. Hope you guys are trading VET right now and absolutely crushing it, or invested into VET. Let's go. Yeah, that's insane. 55% gain. Probably gonna lock in there's TP3. About 85% of my trade I'm gonna lock in right here. Really happy with 55%. That's good enough for me, and let the rest run. All right, guys. So it's an overextended wave 3, pushed all the way up to the 425% fib level, which is absolutely nuts. Just went absolutely parabolic, absolutely nuclear. So we can just keep pushing up. I've seen it before where it's just your mind is blown. But eventually the wave 4, and then one more higher high in a wave 5, and that's when we'll close the rest of the trade. The reason we took the trade was the weekly bullish cross. I had mentioned that in the Discord, and it was perfect. We trade the weekly bullish cross, and look at that weekly candle. Absolutely succulent, about as juicy as it gets. This is what it's like in the bull market. It just blows your mind. All right, guys. So we're absolutely crushing it. Eventually, we will slow down. I mean, you can't really predict a parabolic move. It's just going to go until it stops. But you can use fib levels. So that is usually the max retracement for a 3. And then you pull back in a 4 and push up in a 5. But, maybe we're going to push all the way up to TP3. You never know. But sometimes it does stop swiftly. So I just locked in. I will after this video. We're pushing higher right now. Probably going to lock in about 85% of my trade, considering we're still pushing up and up almost 60%. And yeah, let the rest ride. Love it, guys. We're crushing it in our trades. It's 10 bucks a month for my VIP rooms. You get access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We won 7 Forex trades in a row. That's 7 winning trades in a row. So we're crushing it, guys. And there's a no KYC Forex exchange that I have links for in the Discord. Click the link, click the Patreon link, best $10 you'll ever spend. And make sure to sign up to Bitinix, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. This is where I do my trading for crypto. Highly recommend it, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, no KYC, no VPN. Check out the links, guys. Oh, there's the power just came back. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.